Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use apartments.com for apartment rentals, beginner guide step by step. Open a web browser and go to apartments.com. You will see the home page, featuring various search options. Begin by entering your desired city or neighborhood in the search bar. Next, specify your budget range by adjusting the price filter. You can also set other preferences, such as number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Explore the option to check amenities that are important to you. Click the search button to view available listings. A list of apartments will appear, showing thumbnails of each property. Browse through the listings to find apartments that catch your interest. Click on any listing to view more details about that apartment. Here, you will see photographs, descriptions, and rental prices. Take note of specific features and any associated fees. If you like an apartment, save it to your favorites for easy reference. Use the map feature to see the location of each listing in relation to local amenities. Feel free to refine your search further using additional filters. Review the neighborhood's information provided to understand the area better. If you decide you want to visit an apartment, look for the contact information. Reach out directly to the property manager to schedule a tour or ask questions. After visiting, consider your options before making a decision. Once you find the right apartment, follow the application process outlined on the listing. This typically involves filling out an application form and providing necessary documentation. Be prepared for any required application fees or deposits. Congratulations, you're now on your way to renting an apartment through apartments.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.